Let's start our practice for self-doubt. And for this meditation, it's important to take a strong posture with your back straight, with your shoulders relaxed, with your chest upright. And find your perfect balance between relaxation and alertness. Find yourself a posture of ease and strength. Feel like you're a mountain, stable, steady, but still alive. No need to run, no need to rush. You just stay there, noble, strong. And now start noticing the physical sensations of breathing in and then breathing out. Any physical sensations you experience right now in your chest, in your nose, in your belly. Your attention wanders and you softly make it come back to breathing in and breathing out. If your attention notices any tensions in your body, when you breathe out, try to relax this part. Try to let go of this tension. Try to soften the borders of the tension. And accept these sensations as a natural part of your body, as part of your human experience. And let go of any resistance towards unpleasant sensations in your body. Let them be there. Accept them as they are in this moment. And maybe notice any pleasant sensations you have in your body, like the warmth, the softness, the relaxed parts of your body. And cherish them, enjoy them. Appreciate these pleasant sensations. They are also part of your human experience. And both pleasant and unpleasant sensations make you alive. Breathe in, breathe out. No need to change anything. Just be there as an observer of your human experience, of the life flowing through you. And gently drawing your attention back to these sensations in your body every time a thought comes in. Mastering your attention, drawing it inwards, coming back home. And now please find this sensation of self-doubt, the feeling of self-doubt as a physical sensation. Maybe you find it in your chest or in your belly. Or maybe it's a general feeling spreading over your whole body. Just connect to these sensations of self-doubt inside of you. How does it feel like? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it dense? Is it sharp? Is it contracting your body? Just observe the details of this sensation of self-doubt. And say, my body reflects self-doubt. We're just acknowledging this feeling instead of fighting it or trying to persuade ourselves that it's not there. We're facing the reality as it is, at the same time, feeling that we're bigger than this feeling. Yes, it's there, but I'm bigger than it. It's just some part of my body, but I'm much bigger. And I can hold the space for this feeling. It's okay. It's part of my human experience. Breathe in, breathe out. And now, can you please tap into this feeling and discover the figure which triggers this self-doubt? Who is this inner critic which tells you that you're not good enough, or that you're weak, that you're not perfect? Can you find or even imagine this figure? Face him or her. No wrestling with him or her or pushing away. Just getting familiar with your inner critic and accepting him or her as a natural part of your human experience. And maybe ask your inner critic, what are you trying to protect? And maybe he's trying to protect some vulnerable part of you. Let's find this vulnerable part. Maybe it's your inner child. Maybe this is just a very gentle, very sensitive part of you. Find it. And get acquainted with it. And this is the part of you which needs love and attention the most. And can you approach this part of you as its best friend? Can you truly connect to it and offer this part your compassion, your loving attention, your kindness? If you see this part as your inner child, you may even imagine how you hold this child, how you hug it. Just be there. Be there for him or her. Maybe say to this part, I'm here. I'm with you. I see you. You are important to me. You are enough for me. You have my support. I'm here. I'm here for you. Hold space for this vulnerable and sensitive part of you. Offer it your compassion and your loving kindness. And promise this part of you that you will always be there for him or her. That him or her can rely on you. You are one. And now let go of this visualization and take a moment to behold this experience. Relax. Notice any subtle changes in your body, in your emotions, in the flow of your thoughts. Just contemplate, feel, be there for yourself. And now please put any hand on the center of your chest and offer yourself supportive phrases like, may I accept my flaws and accept my strengths. May I view my shortcomings as an area for growth, not as weaknesses. Feel the warmth of your hand. Breathe. May I approach challenges with strength. May I accept my imperfections and the imperfections in what I do. May my efforts be good enough for me. May I feel secure in who I am. May I have no need to compare myself to others. May I feel good enough. May I care for myself. May I always be a good friend to myself. May I feel secure. May I value myself as I am. May I accept myself. May I feel confident. And may I find my true way to my true self. Listen to the sensations in your body. And let's finish our practice by finding the inner resource of confidence inside of us. Can you please remember the situation when you felt truly confident? Or can you imagine how it might feel like to feel truly confident? Find this feeling of confidence inside your body, the sensation of confidence. How does it feel like? And now start spreading this sensation over your body, sending the signal of confidence to every cell of your body, spreading it to your chest, to your hands, to your stomach, to your belly, to your back, to your legs, and to your head. Your full body is charged with the energy of confidence. You have the inner source of confidence inside of you. You have it. You've always had. All you need is just to remember. I'm wishing you that you always remember that the source of confidence is inside of you. May you find your true way to your true self. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Thank you.